Hello friends, today I will show you how to remove the door panel. First step, we need to remove this plastic. Then we need to remove this cable and this. Then we have two screws here and two here down. For those we need the Torx. $30 Torx. And for these two we need 20 Torx. And we have another screw here. Two here, Torx 30, one here, Torx 30, and two here, Torx 20. Then we need to remove this cable from here and this cable. And this is the door without the panel. Now we need to remove this 10 screw. First to unscrew these screws, we need to let the window down until we see here these Torx, like this. Sorry. And we need to unscrew this and this. After that we pull the window up with the hands. Be careful. Then we can remove this panel. To remove the handle, first we need to remove this with a screw here. Then we need to remove this to pull out from here. First you need to rotate here with the Torx and to put out here. And to remove the lock, you have to screw here, unscrew them and then pull inside. This is the lock, and if you have problem with open from outside, means you have problem with this. This is blocking, and this cable works very hard. You need to change this or to clean the cable. After that you need to remove this screw and this, and you need to clean up this very good to work easily.